rather run an email-based marketing business, than any other type of business? Well, rather than, using Shopify, rather than, selling on Amazon, rather than building funnels, rather than even creating products, rather than even, even software, rather than social media marketing, rather than, building an agency, rather than running ads on Facebook, rather, to our group, creating a Facebook group, rather than even posting on social media all day long, hoping for sales to come in. Because I don't have to have employees. I don't have to have overhead. I do not have to even create content. And most of all, because I don't even have to spend money on ads day in and day out to keep up sales coming in. And in fact, it costs me virtually nothing to send emails. All I do every day is I come into the office and I send an email. That's it. That is it. And then within minutes, I generate sales. Sales like these. See that's $4,528. Here in a day, that's $13 in a day. That's over $10,000 in a day. That's over $64,000 in a month. And here's another one, over $42,000 in a month. Now, just from one account that I barely even use. And the list goes on and on and on. I got tons of different accounts. Hi, my name is Matt Basak, and for the last 24 years, I have been on one of my top 7 traffic sources. In fact, my money-making mantra, a special effect that'll manifest more sales whether you want them or not, and plus, how to 10x it. The last missing piece, and in fact, the thing that rarely anybody does, but it is the biggest reasons why they fail. And in fact, I wanted to make this such a no-brainer, and so what I did is I even going to give you some outrageous bonuses. In fact, I'm going to give you my 3x formula calculator plus a video to share the secrets using it properly. In fact, I'm going to give you 1,000 emails that you can adapt, that you can swipe, that you can employ. And in fact, I'm going to give you a lead generation template to get self-liquidating leads. And in fact, my secret email system checklist in a handful more. This is something that if you're interested in, then go ahead, read the rest of the page below. And then grab the book, of course. And I look forward